Batlung travelled far, quite far from the city. He's always left wondering if he's going to get done early to catch the bus back home to his village. Are you tired of waiting? Have you had enough of all the running around? Do you feel like giving up and just going home? Don't worry, you have the right to timely and efficient services. According to the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act 2020, you have the right to obtain notified citizen-related services in Meghalaya within a given time limit from various government offices, including the DC offices. Be it registration of deeds, application for tribal certificates, or permission for events, you can access details of all notified services here. Many public services are now available under the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act. You can apply for these services and check your application status on the MSPSDC web portal. If you're unsure how to apply online, seek assistance from someone in your village or visit a nearby common service center. If a service you requested has been unfairly denied or delayed, you can appeal to higher authorities or the Commission to help you get the service. Visit the Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission's website now at www.mspsdc.meghalaya.gov.in. Or you can also visit their office in the Horseshoe Building, Lower Lashumir, or send an email for assistance to cc.mspsdc@gmail.com.